Oh, but it's muddy. It's so muddy. But today and some of tomorrow are going to be awesome. Because we're sleeping over here. Because, like, if we only stayed here one night, that would be, no. If we only stayed here for, like, a few hours, that would be really sad. So, yeah. Oh, bumpy, bumpy, lumpy. But yeah, I'm happy that I get to stay here because it's been a year, and I can tell you this place changed. It changed a lot. Oh, whoa. So watery, I slipped. But yeah, oh, what is that? It's like a needle, sort of. And also, there's a four-wheeler here also. My grandpa bought one. Oh yeah, you see them? I'm gonna go catch up with them. They're right there. No, they won. This really thick mud. Not this mud. This mud is easy. But over here, here's where it gets thick. Oh wow. Okay. Gonna take this hole. Mud kicking up, I can bet you that. Oh wait, I passed the way that I want to go. Alright, we're gonna turn around right here. Almost fell there, bud. Luckily I didn't. Lumpa, lumpa, lumpa. Okay, that needs to be chipped. I hate that. That right there needs to be chipped. 100%. Bonka, bonka. But yeah, that needs to be chipped because every time I think I'm gonna hit it and it's gonna be hard. So yeah. But it's not really all wow. You know, it's not hard. I feel it's gonna hurt a lot though. Like that just scrapes you and it do that. Yeah, we could. But that would be extra muddy. And probably stuck. Because that's a big hill. Like going in the pond, that's a big hill at the end. So probably not. That way isn't the worst, but it is, you know, muddy. Rum, 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 rum. Rum, rum. Little hill. Easy, boy, easy. I never really gone in this trail. I don't know why. Well, let's hope it's not that bad. Well, actually, I probably have. Because I see some of my trail. Or, unless somebody else. I mean, I see my trail marks, so I probably did. But, you know, who knows. I don't know. Oh, this is a way that I haven't really gone. Oh, it's just... Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, but it's pretty cool to be out here. Because, you know, it's just never-ending things. Like, you can just ride whenever you want. Unless it's dark. And almost every time we have a little campfire and have s'mores. So, yeah, it's fun. I can't believe I made it do that. Like, honestly. But, you know, out here is fun. You get to... You know, we have fires every night. So that's why I like to come here. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, I forget about this trail. Never really went in this trail. Only because this isn't my favorite trail. It just leads to my favorite trail. So, you know, it's kind of like a shortcut. Like a tiny shortcut. Sorta. I mean, you know. Oh. Slippery out here, bud. Oh, yep. Here comes all the mud. So slippery out here. Oh, boy. Like, in this trail, it's so wet. Like that much mud is out here. It's unbelievable. Alright, that's thick mud. But I made it. I made it happily. to drive something, I just click the throttle and, well, press down on the throttle and steer, and they have to, you know, actually use something. Uh-oh, they're following me now. They're following me, I think. Or they just picked up my mom. I have no clue, honestly. Whoa. No? I'm gonna wait for them. Oh, I didn't know where this was. Oh my, I didn't know. Oh, whoa, slidey. It's a slidey. Alright, here's first. Second. Third. Fourth. But if you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and comment and subscribe.